Now we are going to be see why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water, or you are also going to be seen when we buy the cold drink, then we put the some time, then we are going to be seeing the water bubbles on the outer side of the water bottle, cold drink bottle or water bottle. So we when we take some ice cold water in a tumbler, soon we will see the water droplets on the outer surface of tumbler. So the water vapor present in air, so on coming on that contact with that cold glass of water, then loss energy and get converted into the liquid state, so which we see in the water droplets on the surface of bottle or on the surface of glass. So in the presently we are discuss about the 3D states of matter. We are also going to be discussing in solid, liquid, gas, and now we are going to be discuss the two other state of matter, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. So we are now going to be discuss about the plasma. Plasma is a mixture of free electrons and ions. So the state consists the super energetic and super excited particle. Okay, so in this plasma, so that our particles are the excited states, are in the present in the ionic form. So these particles are in the form of ionized gases. So the fluorescent tube and the neon sign bulb consist the plasma. So we are going to be seeing the tube light, and then we inside this the fluorescent tube contain this plasma. So inside a neon sign bulb there are that neon goes to the inside the fluorescent tube. There are is helium or argon or neon. These are that the inert gases are going to be filled inside this. So the gas gets charged ionized when the electrical energy flow through it. When the electrical energy is going to be transferred through this, suppose this is a tube light, and when the it going to be filled with the inert gas, when the light is electricity is going to be flow inside this, then it gets charged and glowing. So charging up the create a plasma glowing inside the tube or bulb. So the plasma glows with a special color depending on the nature of gases, which type of gas we are going to be filled inside this tube light. Then the same you have seen the different type of color of bulb, like that green, yellow, red, different type of color of the you have seen due to the nature of gas. So sun and the stars glow because the presence of plasma in them. Okay, so inside this sun is also a star, so all the stars have the glowing due to presence of the plasma inside them. So plasma is created in stars because the very high temperature is present inside this. So next and last, the state of matter. So Bose-Einstein condensate. In 1920, Indian physicist Satyendra Nath Bose had done some calculations for the fifth state of matter, and building on his calculation, Albert Einstein produced a new state of matter, that Bose-Einstein condensate, that in the chart it is called the BEC. In 2001, Eric L. Cornell, Wolfgang Kettrel, and Carl E. Wieman of USC received the Nobel Prize in Physics for achieving the Bose-Einstein condensation. So BEC is formed by the cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100,000 the density of normal air, and that super low temperature. These are that all about the first chapter. In next video we are going to discuss about the next chapter. Okay, thanks a lot.